Welcome to the Linguaplus Mobile App. To download the application, please go to the linguaplusproject.eu website. Scroll the page to the online platform and you will see 7 products. The product number 7 is the mobile app. Click on it and you can download the app by the 15th of January using the bottom at the end of the page. In the meantime, I'll show you locally how it will work and how it will appear. This is the welcome page, and if you click on the hamburger menu, you have 2 options: projects and learning paths. Click on projects and you'll find a brief description of the project. Click again on the hamburger icon and select learning paths. You will see a tutorial on how each learning path works. Once you see the video, click the X down on the screen and you'll be in the learning path list. You have 15 learning paths plus your own activities at the end. If you choose, for instance, learning path 15, photo voice, you'll find a tutorial on how to use that specific learning path. And once you finish watching the video, come back to the learning paths, and start to check which materials you need to develop the learning paths. In this case, you need smartphones, printer, white paper A4, white paper color pen. Then, clicking the bottom at the end, you will go back to the learning paths and you can click on length to see how long the activities should last. Then you go back again and you can see procedure keys. These are the most important part because this is where the learning path is explained in simple steps that you can follow to test and to try the activity with your learners. Back again on the bottom, you go on learning outcomes. In the learning outcomes, you see what your learners will achieve after the activity. And then back to the risk assessment to see what are the parts that you need to check and to be careful about during this learning paths development. Then you go back and you have note feedback where you can record and save your own activity in my activity. So in the notes feedback, you can write the date of the performance, how many participants took part, if you changed the procedure and how, if yes, how you changed it, and if the outcome were achieved, and what you shall change next time in the activity, what you would change next time in the activity, and other observations and hints. Then you can save in the activity folder, which will be in your mobile. You can also film the activity you did and store it in a folder still in your mobile phone for you to review it next time you plan to have the activity, the same activity. Then you go on the hamburger menu again and you can choose any other LP and the procedure will be the same. So everything is inside these learning paths explained, and start please from the tutorial at start, which will give you an idea of the learning path and how it will be developed. And don't forget to save in your mobile phone so you can reconnect next time when you want to try again the activity.